Good morning students. In the last video we have started with chapter number 11, forms of water. Now, when steam is cooled, it turns into water. As you can see, when the steam is cooled, it turns into water. Thus, water, ice and steam are different forms of water. So, we have seen these three types of forms of water. Water, ice and steam are different types of water. Water is in liquid form. Water is in liquid form. Ice is the solid form of water. Steam is the gaseous form of water. So this is the steam and it is the gaseous form of water. The water cycle. Now we will see the cycle of the water. Water from lakes, rivers and seas keeps on changing into water vapor. Now see, water from lakes, rivers and seas keeps on changing into water vapor. How? This we will see. This is called evaporation. When the sun shines brightly, the evaporation is rapid. So you can see these are the water vapors. It is due to the sun which is shining brightly, and due to this evaporation is rapid. We have seen how is the process of evaporation in the last chapter. So this is the form of evaporation, and from this water from lakes, rivers and seas keeps changing into water vapor. The water vapor rises up and forms clouds. Whenever the water vapor rises, it forms into clouds. When the clouds cool, you can see up in the sky there are big clouds. When the clouds cool, means whenever these clouds get cool, the water vapor changes back into water. The water vapor which is going up, it changes into water and comes down on the earth as rain. How does the rain comes down? See, you can imagine how the rain means, you imagine how the water from the sky comes down. This is the process. The water vapor rises up and forms clouds. When the clouds cool, the water vapor changes back into water and comes down on the earth as rain. Some of the rainwater flows on land. Some of the rainwater comes on land. It flows into streams, rivers and finally into sea. First, the water comes on land, then it goes in streams, then from streams it goes in rivers, and from rivers it goes into the sea. Some rainwater collects into ponds, lakes and tanks. You can see there are many small lakes, tanks and ponds. Some of the rainwater gets collected into ponds, lakes and tanks. Again, the water from the different sources evaporates and the process continues. This is called the water cycle. So, this is the process of water cycle. Now, I know. First, water exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gaseous. Ice melts into water in warm conditions. On heating, water changes into steam. On cooling, steam changes into water. On further cooling, water freezes into ice. Water from lakes, rivers and seas keeps on changing into water vapor. Water vapor rises up and forms clouds. On cooling, the water vapor in the clouds changes into water and falls down on the earth as rain. The rainwater collects in ponds and lakes. It flows into streams and rivers. The river water flows into the sea. This is called the water cycle. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.